What happens when you find an artifact you've never seen before? Or what about artifacts that were part of the daily lives of people thousands of years ago, but aren't really talked about today? What about artifacts that make us rethink our assumptions about things like reading, identity, or even what we consider to be an artifact? Clearly, there are a lot of artifacts out there, including many that have fascinating and sometimes even unexpected stories. Hi, I'm Dr. Smiti, and I'm an archaeologist, and our team wants to bring these stories to you. So welcome to our new Artifact of the Day series. This bite-sized YouTube series will feature short videos, typically around 4 to 8 minutes, that zoom in on a single artifact or artifact type. The idea for Artifact of the Day actually came from my kid, who was disappointed when his classroom stopped showing Fact of the Day videos. That got me thinking. As an archaeologist, what if we created our own version for curious learners of all ages, but for artifacts? While we won't be releasing a new video every single day, our goal is to build a big enough library that if you want to learn something new in just a few minutes, that you have a video that you can turn to. Now, we're not the first ones to have this idea or concept, but of course we're going to put our own spin on it. We're diving not only into how an artifact was discovered and used in the past, but also how we went about piecing together its story. We want to spotlight lesser-known artifacts that might not always make it into mainstream media or textbooks. The series will premiere this September, and the first 5 episodes will premiere weekly, and then going forward, we plan to release around 3 episodes monthly. We also want to hear from you. Is there a fascinating artifact that you think should be more widely known? Or is there an artifact you've heard of or that we've mentioned in other videos that you want more information on? Let us know in the comments or fill out the Google form in the description. Also, if you're an organization like a museum or cultural center or another entity that stewards artifacts that you think could be featured, we'd love to hear from you. And finally, if you're an educator, we'll be testing free classroom-friendly resources for this series. You can find updates on that on our Patreon, which is completely free to join and access. Of course, if you'd like to support our work monetarily, we'd appreciate that too. So if you're ready to dive into this series, you can start with the video here.